Now, it's an ongoing crackdown on black money that's stashed overseas, and India has been negotiating for information with Switzerland. Well, finally, the Swiss authorities have agreed to remit a portion of the tax collected from the billions that Indians have parked in Swiss banks. Suchetna Ray is here with all the exclusive details. Suchetna, what exactly is Switzerland willing to do, and what is the quantum of funds that could be remitted?
Pavan, definitely is a first step forward in the ongoing negotiations between India and the government of Switzerland. They want, what India wants is an automatic exchange of information whenever Indians park undisclosed money in Switzerland. But what Switzerland has agreed to do is that they will remit a portion of the tax which is levied on the amount which is parked in various Swiss banks. What Switzerland says they will do is that the tax which is imposed on the interest that is given to the account holder, that money will be remitted back to India. But obviously India wants to negotiate further. What they want is that if at all it comes down to tax remittance, they want the entire tax which is levied on the amount which is parked there to be remitted back to India. Now we have to remember that when it comes to Switzerland, the tax rates are rather low. It is about 2%. So therefore, the percentage might be incremental. But we have to remember that according to unofficial estimates, the money parked there is over $300 billion. That is almost 1/4 of India's GDP. So a portion of a tax on that would be not really very inconsequential.